Hi, I'm Curtis Bottis and welcome back to my channel. Luno or Valr? This is a question a lot, okay, let me not say a lot, but a few people has been asking me which is the better exchange. So in today's video I'm going to go over all the pros and cons about Luno and Valr. So with that said, as always, if you're new to the channel, do me the honor by subscribing. It takes you about 3 seconds to do so, and also leaving a like on this video. So let's get right into it. Luno and Valr are both South African exchanges. They have their rivalry like Nike and Adidas, Intel and AMD, Microsoft and Apple, PlayStation and Xbox. I can go on. So they have that they both offer the same service. So like I said, I'm going to go over the pros and cons about both of them, and at the end of the video who I think is the better exchange. So to start it both off, Luno has if you watch both my videos already about Luno and Valr, you'll probably already know about these features. That playlist about both is in my playlist section, or it will be down in the description. Like I said, the first difference between the two is Luno offers the Explore tab, where Valr don't offer this tab. As you can see, the Explore tab will be here. This is a very important tab if you're new to cryptocurrency, because this offers you a lot of information that is very useful. So this is the new section. So this is all the updates in the cryptocurrency world at the moment, and also the features Luno will be updating to their web application. This is the learn. Like I said, knowledge is power, and it's always good to educate yourself with information. So this is where you learn about, but this is also not top grade information, but it's very useful. As you can see, that tab is right here, where in the case of Valr they don't have this feature. The second difference between the two is Luno has a track record. They have been longer in the space. Luno was founded in 2013, where Valr was founded in 2018. So this gives Luno a longer track record with being in the space, where Valr only has been around for 2 years. The next difference is Luno has 6 cryptocurrencies, in where Valr has way more. So in this section, Valr takes the win. That is obviously Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and USDC, which is a stable coin. But where in Valr's case, they have way more. They have over 30 cryptocurrencies. I think they're always updating this list, such as the Edge Doge, the Edge Polkadot. So as you can see, they have way more. They have Cello. I already went over this list, but the new ones, there's Doge, Polkadot, there's Genesis, Golem, Grin, Chainlink, Link, Litecoin. So you see in this section, Valr wins. Luno has the investment wallet. So I already made a video about this one also, the investment wallet. So the investment wallet is where you earn interest on your Bitcoin. So if your Bitcoin is just sitting there in your wallet, you can make it work for you by earning interest. So the interest at the current moment is 4% APY, where in the case of Valr don't offer the service for earning interest on your Bitcoin. So if your Bitcoin is just sitting in your Valr account, it's not doing anything, where in the case of Luno, it's gaining interest over time if it's in the investment wallet. The next difference between the two is the rewards. So if you go to Luno rewards, Luno only gives 25 Rand for both you and your friend if you refer them. There's no other bonuses. You just get a 25 of 20. You only get 25 Rands worth of Bitcoin, and your friend gets if they use your link. Where in the case of Valr, they have way more better rewards and rebates. So let's just go back to the Valr one. So in the case of Valr, they give you 10% of your referrals trading fees. So if your referral uses your link, that is down in the description, you get a 10% off their trading fees, but they also get a 10% off the trading fees. So this is where Valr wins Luno in this category also, where they give you way more, and also they give you a rebate when you trade and you be a maker in the market. Like I said, I already went over this in the Valr's video. So if you trade, they give you a 0.1% rebate on your trading. So in this section, Valr also wins. The next difference is withdrawals. If you withdraw with Luno, you don't pay any withdrawal fees. So if you withdraw your money back into your bank account, you don't pay any withdrawal fees. But in the case with Valr, if you withdraw, you pay R8.50 withdrawal fee. So as you can see, it wins. So in this section, Luno wins. The next one is minimum buy. So when you buy with Luno, there's a minimum buy. I think they updated this. It was also the same as Valr, but they also updated it now. Now it's a little bit more. I think I'm not sure about it, but the minimum you can buy is 300 Rand. You can't go lower than that. So you need to at least buy 300 Rands worth of Bitcoin. But in the case of Valr, they still has a less way. They have less minimum. I think it's 50 Rand. I'm not sure about the exact number, but it's 50 Rand. So you can buy less Bitcoin. And that is the differences between the two exchanges. I'm just gonna go over it again. So Luno has a longer track record. Luno has the Learn tab. Luno has the investment wallet, and Luno has free withdrawals. Valr has more cryptocurrencies. You gain rebate on your trades, and the last difference is with Valr, there's less minimum buy requirements. So this means you can buy with less money. So that is the differences between the two. So which one is better? I dabble in both. So this both offer services. So as the consumer or the customer, it's always good to choose both. Like you wear both Adidas and Nike. So I recommend, never financial advice is to use both. So you can have the benefits of both exchanges. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you're about to use the links down below in the description. If you're about to sign up to Valr or Luno, you will get a bonus. We went over this already. Like you get a rebate, I get a rebate. Yes. So until next time, peace.